Apple has just released the public beta of iOS 18. Here's how to download it. If you don't have an Apple developer account and have been wanting to try out iOS 18 on your iPhone, here you go. Apple has finally released the first public beta of iOS 18. Public betas are usually a bit more stable than developer betas. This is one of the reasons why some people wait until the public beta. Apple released the first developer beta of iOS 18 just after the WWDC 2024 keynote on June 10th. 3 developer betas have been released since then, and Apple usually releases around 3 developer betas before the general release a week later. Apple also said it would release the public beta sometime in July, and that time has come. The public beta isn't just limited to iOS 18. Today's release also includes public betas for iPadOS 18, watchOS 11, macOS Sequoia, tvOS 18, and visionOS 2. If you have a compatible iPad, Apple Watch, Mac, Apple TV, or Apple Vision Pro, don't fret. If you want to try out early preview versions of the software, download them too. If you want to try out the iOS 18 beta, you can also try it directly on your phone. Just go to Settings, General, Software Update, Beta Updates, and select iOS 18 Developer Beta or iOS 18 Public Beta. Or you can download the beta from the Apple Beta Software Program page. Remember that iOS 18 is a big deal, especially if you have an iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 15 Pro Max. That's because iOS 18 is packed with Apple Intelligence features, including the Writing tool, Overview, Priority Notifications, improved search in the revamped Photos app, image generation, and smarter Siri and ChatGPT integration. The new and improved Siri is a big change, especially. Siri with Apple Intelligence should feel more natural, relevant, and personal. It has on-screen contextual display and can handle multi-step requests. Unfortunately, if you don't have an iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 15 Pro Max, you can't access the Apple Intelligence features. That's because these 2 iPhones are the only iPhones powerful enough to run Apple Intelligence, A17 Pro chip, and 8 GB RAM. But there are other great features in iOS 18 that don't rely on Apple Intelligence. For example, iPhone 15 and earlier, up to iPhone XR, still have all the quality of life changes introduced in iOS 18. These include new home screen customization that lets you place icons and widgets anywhere on a grid, customizable app icon colors, a new control center, the ability to change lock screen shortcuts, message schedules in iMessage, RCS support, and more. Even without Apple Intelligence, iOS 18 has many highly requested features that make the iPhone experience even more enjoyable. The final public version of iOS 18 is expected to arrive in the fall, likely in September, alongside the iPhone 16 series.